ayan, thank you Lord, may Krispy Kreme agad na donut, binigay lang sa akin. Ito yung sa Cinnamon Fountain. Ayan, ganyan siya kapag gabi, night view. Nag-order lang ako dito ng avocado shake. Kaya sobrang fresh na fresh. Chicken shawarma. Dito na yung sa banda. May shawarma here. Sobrang sarap na. Yung avocado talaga. Fresh talaga siya. Maybe she a family.
I don't know. Good girl. No room, no liar, no cheating. You understand? يعني no sim other. You understand? When I go back, this is street تحلية all. This. هذا all. This سلمانية.
Ito nga pala yung pistachio latte nila here sa 500,000 and then strawberry bread something. Hindi ko na alam yung tawag, nakalimutan ko na. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda ng view. Pwedeng tumambay and mag-relax. Tapos wala masyadong mga tao. So this one is Almasa, the biggest coffee shop here in Riyadh. Yan, QR code lang for order, and I ordered tabbouleh, salad, and salmon, and strawberry shake. Ayan, medyo pricey lang yung mga food nila. So guys, this is the Kingdom Tower, the famous Kingdom Tower here in Riyadh. Mas okay yung view niya kapag night, and ayun, hindi ko siya na-enjoy masyado dahil umaga kami pumunta. And this Guinness World Record